This is Stu Ellis with your Illinois Corn Connection, brought to you by Illinois Corn. Gregg Sauder's rain irrigation unit from 360 Yield is now capable of applying liquid manure along with water to cut nitrogen costs for corn production.
We've added the ability to put manure, whether that's liquid manure out of a large dairy or from hog pits, on the growing crop. And I think all of us, after a year of high inputs, are very aware of what fertilizer truly costs in this inflationary period. So the minute we can start to utilize livestock waste and liquid manure and the value we get out of it in a growing crop, it serves really three purposes. It makes the government extremely happy with the regulators because everybody likes it going on a growing crop. It makes the dairymen and those of us at livestock very happy because our pits get empty, and then the yield results in the end make us really smile. So those three things make a perfect combination. So the interest level is really, really high. So we designed this technology to say, what if? What if we can, with an autonomous, intelligent-driven machine, can add water every week and put us in a much different area for yield?
I'm assuming you have a lot of these sold at this point?
Well, you know, we're sold out for 23. In 23, I'm going to position 40. We're taking orders for the season of 24. We had 8 units running in 4 states this year of tremendous success. It's been a fun year. Hectic? Oh, yeah. But I always tell our team, if it's not crazy, we're probably not in the right business.
Sauder says there are also future plans for his 360 rain units in a cornfield.
Rain will have, it's going to be a platform for us. So when we think about fungicide and corn diseases and herbicide and cameras that can do tremendous scouting per plant, those are all the next steps with rain. And then there's always things on the very back whiteboard that Tim and I only know about. We just laugh and we say, people will surely know we're crazy now if they haven't already figured that out.
That was your Corn Connection. I'm Stu Ellis. To learn more about how Illinois Corn is working for you, visit illinoiscorn.org.